Hello, my name is Isabel Maria Balufo. I work as a project technician in the Valencia Federation of Construction Enterprise, FEDEC. We have extensive experience in European projects, especially from the Erasmus Plus program. Throughout our experience in the project, the dissemination has been one of the day's objectives. In this video tutorial, we are going to explain how we carry out the dissemination and be able to get the most out of it. We hope it will be of great help to you. The first thing we have to know is why the dissemination is important. What the reason why making our project known on the different channels is so important. The activities aim at the communication and dissemination of the result to show the work carried out is where we publicize our sizes of the project that maximize the impact of the project. Dissemination is a transversal part of the project, but no less important for that. By publicizing our project, we are promoting that wider community benefits from the activities and experience of the Erasmus Plus program. Project results can serve as an example and inspire others showing the potential of these programs. And one of the main objectives is that in this way we are supporting the improvement of the education and training system of the European Union. To make a good diffusion, it's important that we carry out our own action plan. And what is an action plan? An action plan is one that gives us an answer to the following questions. Why? What? Who? To who? When? Where? And how? This plan will help us to carry out effectively communication and dissemination activities of the result obtained in our Erasmus Plus project. It is important to be clear about the goals for which we carry out the communication and dissemination of the result are: raise awareness, maximize impact, get a stakeholder and target group involved, share solution and practical knowledge, influence practice and policy, develop new association and contact networks. The results can be visible, concrete, or invisible. For example, the visible results can be problem resolution, a practical tool or products like manual, study plans, report, research studies, good practice guide, evaluation report. The invisible results can be experience acquired by the participants, improvement of personal skills and achievements, greater cultural awareness, improvement of linguistic skills. In any dissemination plan, it's very important to know how to identify who is in at, who are our target groups. In the case of Erasmus Plus project, the recipients are students, teachers, education inspector, education centers, companies, associations, professionals, technological institutes, etc. Communication and dissemination activities, as well as message, must be adapted to our target audience. To reach more people, it is important to use the maximum number of communication channels. It is important to always use the logo of our project in all our broadcasts. The most used channels are the entity website, media and audiovisual products like television, press, application, existing contact, mailings, meetings, conference, of course, social networks like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or public events, congresses. The dissemination activities have 4 phases. First one, before the start of the project. 1. Prepare the dissemination plan. 2. Define the impact and results. 3. How and who will carry out the dissemination. The second phase, during the project. Use social media and communicate the start of the project. Regular activities like informative meetings, press release, mailings. 3. If there is, launch the project website or blog. And 4. Evaluate the diffusion with the follow-up and scope of the same. Third phase, final report. Upload the project result to all our communication channels. And the last one, finish the project. Continue with the dissemination activities, develop cooperative ideas, evaluate achievements and impact. To know the success obtained, there are 2 indicators: quantitative, numbers, percentages, or qualitative, quality and experience. The tool used to make these measurements can be questionnaires, interview, observations, evaluation, facts and figures, metrics in social networks, etc. It is mandatory during the life of our project that the supports received in the Erasmus Plus program is recognized in all the promotion and communication materials, in addition to using the official logo. In our case, the communication channel in our social networks are Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, but you can also use social networks like YouTube, Spotify, TikTok, whatever. From our social networks, we inform about the news and events relative to European education programs. It's already important the relationship and appearance in different media, like press, radio or television. In this regard, FEDEC publicizes a series of press releases or articles in magazines relative to our business activity, that is construction. Twitter, short message so that you are aware of our activity, international education programs and everything relative to the field of internationalizations. Instagram, photo and video to interact with us and share experience in a more personal way. Facebook, publication of news, video, photo and all the information about what we do to make ourselves known better. Resorts, we use photo, video, infographic, press, message. So we hope this video tutorial has been of interest to you and we have helping you to improve the dissemination of your future projects. Thank you very much.